Hey babies, what's good? It's Coco Danae, and I'm just coming on here to do a little voiceover on this install or whatever, because a lot of people try to figure out what I do when I have colored locks and they have black hair. And this is just like, I don't think it's nothing that nobody else don't do, but this is what I do. So with the install, I just go ahead, get the lock hair and they hair, and I intertwine them. And this is this is my old method. So now my new method is it's still somewhere like this, but it's definitely elevated when I elevate it. But this just me showing y'all a quick little 1-2 with my little install. So I'm pretty much just doing this the first at least minute and a half or whatnot, just showing you how I intertwine. I'm sorry I didn't zoom in, but I definitely got zoomed in clips when it comes to rapping and stuff later on in the video. And I know y'all probably thinking like, dang, her part's big, but I promise you, I only go with the flow of people's head when I get to the parting part. So when it's like looking like parts are too big, I usually do the part ratio today, like hair texture, if that makes sense. But if it don't make sense, y'all drop in the comments and I'll break it down. Yeah. So right here, I'm already starting my wrapping process. I normally like to install all the crochet pieces and separate them just so I can know what I'm working with and how many I'm gonna have. So I'm just wrapping, and I will have some better clips like when it gets a little further into the video, but I'm trying to keep it short as possible for y'all. But this pretty much is a whole install that I recorded, but I broke it down to like 10 minutes. Yeah. I put it on the fastest speed, baby, and it look like I'm still going slow, but this is just like my little technique on why I call my locks the Locs. Everybody else probably do wrap theirs like this, but yo, I'm gonna put a little razzle dazzle on mine. They the Locs, yo, cause I get it real nice and gripped and pull it on down, baby. Period. My back was a little too big. That's why I'm doing it from this angle. So don't get off now. And like I said, this is just my old technique that I'm just now late uploading. And I just wanted to put it on YouTube so I can look at my growth. because I want y'all to be able to be like, dang, I watched her when she was just starting out. So we all here for educational purposes, but definitely watching each other grow. So yeah, shout out to me for having the courage to put it out here. Right here we zooming in, and I'm finna try to attempt to show y'all how I rap or whatever. So I like to work in sections when I'm doing it, and I do like this counterclockwise twisting when I get to the root, and then I work my way down. Y'all know, y'all pretty much get what I'm saying, but it's like a lifting technique that I do and still give that somewhat distressed look a little bit on top. You'll see. That definitely giving ham hock. Like I know how to cook it from y'all. That's just for the parting situation. I normally like to use the block parting. Only because I care about the sake of people's hair after they have to take them down if they don't book me for a takedown. So I hope that you got an understanding a little bit. If you don't, drop down in the comments and tell me to go more in detail on what I'm doing. But this is my favorite part, using my growth oil every time I get done. My favorite part. Thank y'all for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I got more stuff on the way. Hey.